Hello, it's Caesar Doc, and in this video I'm going to be animating it, so it's not going to be that interesting until I animate it. See, because I just got this app, and I'm going to animate my videos every once in a while. So what I really need to do is I need to walk around and just videotape something, then I'm going to animate it and see if it works. I'll post it on YouTube so you can see my information if it works. So you might not get to see the thing. So just hang in there. Pinecone. Okay.